But dude, I like my target. I like it. The 2 minute looks hot as hell. I mean, it's really nice. I'm telling you, man, 182.5.
Here's Tesla.
Yeah, it'll go down to 810, then bounce. You could double those on puts, but I'd rather take the trade later. Yeah. Holy crap, dude. You see the Twilio all-time chart?
The who chart?
Twilio all-time?
Yeah.
It's insane.
Let me go to. What they used to be at?
Like, I don't know, 60?
Okay. Oh yeah.
That's crazy. Alright, here comes 82.5. Tesla broke out.
Maybe if they pull back up a little here, I'll get in.
SPY's gonna close red, green, red on the 5. Can you imagine selling a 180 call?
You'd be what, in margin call?
Dude, you'd be, yeah, 100%, man. All the margin calls are at noon to like 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's usually noon to 1. So it's like, this is when everyone has to, they're forced to liquidate. I'm gonna try to in some at 123. I think that's pretty reasonable. Maybe some more.
Yo, the 180s.
Yeah, the 180 puts. Yeah.
You can get in at what, 140?
Well, I think it'll go to 182.5, right? So I'm thinking whatever the price is gonna be at 182.5.
I don't understand. Something's gonna have to happen for it to keep go down. That. Look at yesterday. That's a good one to look at.
Okay. Yeah, they peaked, right? So that's good. I mean, I see what you're saying, but I don't. I mean, what are you saying? You're saying don't take the trade?
We can't. Yeah, but no. Take it, but they dipped and then went back up. So like, it's got to be something where if it does start dropping and you see consolidation, you take the profits.
Okay.
Because they did peak around. You see how they did kind of like an M yesterday?
Yeah. It's a little bit later in the day, but I mean, I'm with you on it. I see what you mean, yeah. Oh shit, SPY went up. I mean, I think this is a solid trade. You think this isn't a good trade? I don't have to take it. We'll see what
Is there
happens.
any the past 3 years they ain't got this high? Yeah. So.
Did you get
What
filled
the heck
on?
do they do? This company.
Oh, they do email marketing, like text message marketing, stuff like that.
Okay.
Did you get filled on Tesla?
I'm gonna wait.
Oh, you're gonna wait. Yeah, that's smart. That's good. I'm gonna wait too. I really thought Twilight would do 82.5. If they're not gonna hit it, then I'm not gonna short it. Oh, dude, remember that Baba contract?
Yeah, what they had, guys.
It was like the second one too, which was the weird part. Yeah, the 200. Oh, sorry, not Baba. The Baba ones, they went up by a factor of 6. Like, they hit target.
A factor of 6. Oh, no.
The Zoom ones failed, though, so it was the right call to get out of that. Yo, dude, Flowers is getting pumped hardcore. I think they're gonna dump pretty soon. I think it hit 24 and then they'll peak.
I know, yeah, they were at 10, which is crazy.
Yeah. Well, Mother's Day, man.
We used to always talk about Flowers.
I love them. They're great. They're just such a great company to trade. They're so seasonal. It's like bullshit easy. That could have been the top at 182.
Tesla's there. You think? Let's see.
Tesla, I'm pretty confident top. I'm talking about Twilu. Baba's approaching VWAP.
Yeah, Tesla's in just one sideways.
I mean, that's what you. It's solid, dude. It's not a big deal. That's why I'm not trading the head though, because that's gonna kill the premiums. Alright, here it is, dude.
Yeah, I gotta see what this SPY does.
I think SPY's faking everyone out. Could be an M.
We'll see, man. It's always good to wait and see what happens. Our premiums will be killed by now.
Exactly. For Tesla, I mean, this is a 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock trade. I think the market's gonna do an M if it reverses right here. If it does, I'll get in Twilio puts. You could also do SPY puts right here, 291 strike. But we'll see.
What are you thinking, man?
I think SPY's gonna reverse into an M and crash.
Tesla, the contracts just went down $2 since when we were talking 5 minutes ago.
How much were they?
4.
Oh shit!
Now
Yeah.
they're like 2.
Well, I'm not
The price didn't
trading.
even move that much, and they're still going up. So I don't know what they're doing.
Well, they should reverse. Because SPY's reversing right here. I'm gonna start getting in.
The markets love high unemployment.
Yeah, everyone's on the news jerking off the coronavirus.
God, I'm glad I didn't get a Tesla. That would suck. I was thinking about doing 10 contracts too.
Dang! I mean, it should work in the, but yeah, no, yeah.
Like we said, we just do everything opposite.
Well, at least you know what you're doing. You're good.
God damn this phone. You're playing Twilio?
Yeah, I'm in puts.
If they can break that channel, man, you're in good shape. What was that high on SPY earlier? 291.99, and now it was Yeah, so it bounced right off. Impressive. Wait, so if you have an order in for Spy earlier today at like 288, could you have got filled on that big candle?
Probably not, no.
No. It's still going up.
Who?
Tesla.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what the strategy is on something like that.
I mean, I'm just waiting. I'm looking at the 5.
5 minutes, okay.
Alright, well, that didn't go great. I think that kind of confirms Spy M.
I want to pull the trigger so bad.
On Tesla?
Yeah. It's just like...
That's a hard trade.
It's a hard one, man, yeah.
Take the easy ones.
Golly, Apple, dude, they went up a bunch.
No shit. Wow. Wow. Alright, well, I was right about 282.5.
I don't see how you... dude, I have to, like, change my charts.
What do you mean?
Oh, yeah, because you got 3 screens. That makes sense. having all your charts up plus the active trader. I don't like you have 3 screens to do that. I guess.
Yeah, it's nice. Just get more
What do you
screens.
have charts on 2 of the screens or?
It's all charts, like everything's charts. Active Trader's like half a screen, maybe a quarter. Here, I'll send you a picture.
What about Amazon in a flag wedge?
Oh wait, you want me to send this picture?
Yeah, send me a picture.
Alright. Yeah, Amazon has good moves. Afternoon. They do a good job. Yeah, dude, Apple just broke out. You want to get long-term puts on it right here, right now?
Let me go back and change my charts. Long-term puts. There's that gap from like 304 to 314 on the yearly chart. This thing's been going up every day. Woo! I'm looking at Amazon Wedge here. You said they have good movement later today.
You think that's symmetrical or what?
Yeah, I'm thinking so.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. It'll break down below VWAP. That's a solid trade. Yeah, that should break out at like 130. It's really nice, dude. All around. 10 out of 10. What do you want to do, like 75 puts?
Yeah, I was thinking 75. Aggressive, you get in right now.
Yeah, but I mean, you're right. If you want to do like a 1/8 in right now, but I think you're gonna have a better risk reward if you just do it at breakout.
Have you been seeing a lot of false breakouts recently?
Only in crypto.
Only in crypto, okay. Because I know Tesla has a lot.
Tesla what?
Tesla has a lot of false breakouts.
Oh, I'm sorry. Amazon should go to like 67 based on that wedge. But I wouldn't do it early because it could also be a bull flag.
Yeah, that's
But based on the market, you're looking pretty bearish. As long as it stays in the M. It's got to stay in the M. Let me make sure we're solid on Twilio. Cause dude, damn, it went right where my limits were. Should have strong held it. Oh well. It'll head and shoulder now if you want to get in on the second shoulder. The price there is about a 140 a contract.
But their trend is so strong.
Well, then do what you want, man.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna look at Amazon.
Do it. It's a good trade.
Have you been using the time and sales a lot?
Yeah, it's really nice.
That's good. That's good.
Are you bearish on Amazon?
I'm thinking, yeah, I think so.
Okay.
The SPY is just sitting there, though. But
I got a lot of people shorting Tesla. These guys are buying 8-10 puts.
yeah, I thought 800 would be reasonable.
You think hold through this on Twilo or get out?
Let me look. Oh, you're talking. Oh shit! This is one of those where you don't want to exit too early, but you always think about what could go wrong. It's right there at that support, man. Are you still full in?
Yeah.
Well, you got in at the top. You said so.
It was
You
a
should be
pretty
good.
damn good target, yeah.
Oh, that was your target.
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty damn good.
I would say hold, man.
Alright.
Probably didn't have much to do with SPY, though.
It's really interesting. They've been inversely.
There it goes, man. This might go down.
Looks like a
Let's
nice
see it do a
amp.
Zoom video communications drop.
Yeah, dude! Let's see you go to 170.
155.
155! Oh, man. If you look at the 4-hour chart, it's not, like, totally unreasonable.
4 hour, okay.
I'm just worried because SPY's breaking out, and I don't want to, like, you know?
Yeah, Amazon will probably go up.
Oh, yeah, the Amazon broke out of the wedge to the bull side. If this candle closes green. Dude, I think Twilio was inversely correlated.
Well, they must have had some really good earnings.
And that's 2 days ago, you said.
Yeah, I guess it's just a continuation.
Continuation looks like it's about to fail, dude. That was like an M top. Because the market went down this morning and this thing went straight up. And then the market went up and it staggered. And then the market went down and it went into a wedge on the upside. I mean, this thing looks like it's inversely correlated. And dude, that's a pretty solid interior Bollinger Band M. I think you got big upside on this.
Yeah, that would be the bottom of the M. Look at that time. Look at the level 2 time of sales. I guess this will help you here.
I'm looking at it for the stock, yeah. Got a lot
Yeah,
of...
the asks are pretty heavy.
What do you mean?
I think the one... I've always heard that if you look at the level 2 on the bottom, the ask size, if there's like a lot of volume, that's good.
Well, yeah, those are like sell walls and buy walls, but I don't see much.
I see a lot right now. 17. 17
Oh yeah,
7
181. Yeah.
for 181. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a lot. And then the bids are only one.
Yeah, you're right. All right, let's see it dump.
And then the time of sales, they should.
I mean, if they're inversely correlated, this is their moment because SPY's going straight up.
Just watch that 181 level.
And there's like 3 sellers. Dude, VVIX is going up fast. Hey, Amazon totally broke out. Like, I mean, it's just like, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, the news is JCPenney bankrupt.
No, what were they, like 50 cents a share?
It was like, I think it was $1. I don't know. They've just getting straight down since 2016 or something, I think. I mean, it's like basically
Here it
their
goes,
penny
man,
stock.
right here.
Yeah, here it goes, right here!
1.8.
Dude, fucking in it.
You're in the 180s?
Yeah, the 180s.
They're about 167 now.
I pay 167 for 2/3 of my lot. Or I pay 160.
Watch that 180. Yeah, that's gonna be huge.
That's the support from the earlier wedge. It's not a. It's a false support.
Well, 180.
180.20, yeah. 180, yeah. It's got like maybe 4 minutes on it tops. Like it should be 2 minutes though. Yeah. If it breaks through it, dude, that's not a support. That's fake. The target on the M for one deviation is 179.9, so it's already there. So you might be a little bit late. If you do 2 deviations, it's 178.93. So you got a little bit, but if you're not in by now, I wouldn't really try to get in. It's too late, I think. I could be wrong. But that's about 100% from the lows. Maybe I should actually put these price levels on my chart. No, I erased them. Hey, what did I say those price levels were?
What, the high?
No, the ones I just said.
178.9. Was it 178.9?
Okay. Cool. Thanks. I think it'll probably fall through that if it has the momentum. I have to sell everything at once. Hey! What'd I tell you, man? Fake supports. You can't rely on upward like, you just don't use the support from the upward wedge. It just doesn't work. I don't know. I might just hold to VWAP.
Look at SPY.
SPY! Yeah, I'm telling you, dude, that's an M. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's an M. Like, I'm pretty damn confident that's an M. So I'm going to hold these puts for a while. Same thing with Amazon. They reversed, so they'll probably break out to the downside, like we said earlier. And what's Tesla? Where's Tesla? I don't have a chart on Tesla. Of course I do. Yeah, Tesla's hanging in there. It'll just take some time for it to consolidate to the downside. If you try to do a target based on the upward wedge, then you get like 177.5. So I don't.
Tesla's hanging in there.
Yeah, they are, dude. I'm thinking they'll fall hard. I hope they will. I'm not gonna trade it based on that because it's a hard trade, but that'll be needed for our setup later. I think 155's. I don't know. We'll see. You think Twilio 155?
That's kind of extended. Yeah, it could happen now.
I think maybe probably 167, like max, like total bull, like crazy. But I think this is a waiting game at this point. So, yeah. How much upside is there on that Amazon if you were to do puts?
Two, three, seven. 3, 2. I don't know what you said a target was. 2, 3, 6, 5.
What?
What was the target?
Oh, the target? I thought it was 67.
Upside's about 150%.
It's pretty solid.
The summer camp for billionaires has been canceled.
No shit, what's that?
It's something where all the big dogs meet and stuff. It's called the Sun Valley Conference.
No way. Rip. I should have just done a finger target. Because, yeah, that hit 2 standard deviation Bollinger Band M target. But I think there's something bigger here. At least I hope there's something bigger here. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, Trump's on the news saying everyone's gonna get jobs.
That's not good.
Yo, if you're gonna make a play on Amazon, look up warehouse coronavirus for them because there's so many cases.
So with a big drop like that in SPY, if Tesla doesn't move on the drop, then if SPY goes back up a lot, Tesla will go up a lot. I think that's how they normally work.
Apparently, they have some new patents, and they're supposed to have some big news in the energy sector.
So Tesla?
Yeah.
You think it go to 830?
They filed some battery patents yesterday. I don't think they'll go to 830. No. No. Apple puts look pretty easy right here.
Who? Apple?
Yeah.
I don't see much.
You don't think that's an upward wedge?
Looks like a channel.
Okay. Fair enough.
I guess same thing. But man, the chart makes it look like they're way high, but they're only up 1%.
No, but dude, I mean, for the puts, that's a lot. I mean, I guess it is more of a channel. I drew my lines earlier, and it was a little bit different then. Did you have a good lunch?
Yeah, it's a Mexican.
That is so cool. Alright, now they're back on the news, jerking off jobs report. This is good.
Did your dad short Apple? I remember he was shorting, wasn't he?
Yeah, he closed, and then he sat
He got out just in time.
Yeah, well, he sold everything at the peak, and now he's pissed off at me because the market's doing the dead cat bounce thing, and he's like, I could have made 20%. And I'm like, dude, it's a recession.
Oh, he sold all of his stuff?
Yeah, he sold it like at the peak when there was the inverted yield curve.
Okay.
Like a little bit after that, but yeah, basically.
So he'd be about even, yeah.
Well, no, I mean he's made a lot. I mean, he made like a ton of money because I told him to buy puts, and he did. And they closed out a lot of stuff like at the bottom and now he's mad at me because he's like, I should buy stocks for the next 5 years, even if there's going to be a recession, because the U.S. government's going to save the stock market and the stocks aren't going to go down. And I'm like, dude, have you been watching Fox News?
He loves Fox, I bet.
I don't know, man. He puts CNBC on the weird thing. Yeah, they broke out of the channel, bro. What'd I fucking say? Yeah, I don't know.
But like, that's more of scalping because you don't.
I think it'll go to 307. I mean, how much are the... I mean, I don't know. I didn't look at the contract. The puts... Yeah, I mean, I guess. You're only looking at
If you were a
100.
big scalper, that'd be good.
Yeah, it's fair enough. God, why does Twilio have to be inversely correlated, man? This is crazy.
Oh, I hadn't looked at them. Let me take a look. You're still in full?
I'm in full.
That was probably a healthy pullback. We'll go back down.
I believe. Spy's going to 291.
We'll see what shop did, because normally we buy puts at lunch. Yeah, we did not see the shape.
Not good or what?
Yeah, it hasn't moved much.
Okay.
What is it, 119? Okay. Have you been trading like at 3:30 on Fridays recently?
Yeah, it's nice.
God, it's so risky.
Oh, you just gotta be good with it.
I still remember that day I did the Tesla one when we went golfing. That was the craziest one I've ever done.
That was so amazing. Oh, God, what a day. That was like a 10 grand day. It was pretty nice. I don't get why Twilios cost so much.
Everybody's been saying though, this has been good. This is good experience to trade in every market condition.
Yeah.
So that when everything gets stable, it'll be easy.
Yeah, it's already easy. Especially if this Tesla play works out today, later.
What, a big run up?
No, a head and shoulder. I might out Twilio. I don't know what it's doing here, man.
It's a hard trend to break.
It's weird. But you're right. Baba broke VWAP.
Tesla, let's see, Baba. Yeah, very nice.
Yo, you know what'd be cool?
What?
If Twilio lost 20 points in 6 minutes.
Button goes to 155.
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
What would your contracts go to, like 20 from like $1?
155. They're 180s. So yeah, 25 from $1.60.
Facebook will come out with something saying they're gonna take their advertising and stuff and do what Zoom did.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't get how they're up this much in an economy where nobody's paying for advertising. Like, their entire business is at stake here, and for some reason, I mean, that's just crazy.
How does that affect monitor ads with their advertising? Because are the software developers wanting to use it still?
Yeah, so basically, like, ads are making website owners even less money now because there's less advertisers, so there's less competition.
Yeah.
So it basically makes our software like even more valuable.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Okay.
Because they make less money from ads, and there's more ad blockers. But I still gotta get some developers on it or something, because Muhammad isn't like coding it, or I don't know. Maybe he's working really hard. He's just not like. I mean, it's been like a couple months and it's not done yet. So I don't know. We'll see if we can get someone on Freelancer to do it. But man, it's cool stuff, man.
Oh yeah. It's a nice website.
Dude, there's a bunch of people dying in Georgia because of this virus.
You think? Oh, have they gone up there? That's what I'm curious about. Since you've been open for a few weeks down there, has the virus cases gone back up?
Dude, they've exploded, man.
You think so?
It's literally on CNBC. It was on there this morning.
Because Atlanta, I mean, that's probably most of them are coming from Atlanta.
Well, I mean, it's the most population, but the news was about Northeast Georgia, so like Fulton County. I mean, no, it was like Marietta. I don't know, dude. I'm not gonna pretend to know geography. Also, what the hell did I say on Apple Puts, dude? I don't know about you, but I still think that's a nice scout. Are you in Amazon?
No, I never did get in.
Oh, okay, gotcha. I'm thinking Spy 291, then I'll close the position. But this is about 100% from low. You gotta out it all at once. You do me a favor, keep an eye on Tesla.
Cap?
Thanks.
They're just sideways.
I wonder, like, how much the SPY puts went up.
Probably not too much.
Yeah, I don't think it's really usually as much as the stocks. Anyway, Nvidia's below VWAP, and Apple's like 2/3 to target. Amazon should break here, but the market will also rebound, so they might just consolidate at VWAP. You ever see SPY go straight through VWAP in less than 2 minutes?
Is that what they're about to do?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
45 seconds and incoming. As soon as this candle closes, bro. Bam. Oh shit, it might reverse. No! Please don't reverse. It could totally reverse.
It's tough.
Yeah, it's tough. I have to out full no matter what I do. Trying to out full. What do I do?
You're still up 100%.
Yeah. What?
You're still up like 100, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's gonna do it! The news is about the stock market going up after the job report.
Your strike was 180, so you're good.
Yeah. Well, I mean, half of it's time value. Plus 40% or so. Amazon's right of view at. Dude, I'm really liking this. I was freaking out because I thought it'd be a hammer reversal, but as long as the 5-minute closes
I'm
red.
still looking at Tesla.
I'm sorry, I'm not watching them right now. I'm focusing. I'm sorry. What are they doing? Are they still sideways?
Yeah.
Damn. Dude, don't worry about timing the top here. What's important is that there's going to be a lot of built up resistance. Hold on, give me a sec. And it can come out later in the day.
Dude, let's see. The 810 puts are only $1.
Could reverse here. I think it's reversing.
Spy's in that channel, dude, so don't worry.
Yeah, but they can break it, man. They hit 1 deviation target.
I'm thinking, let's see, 120, 825. I don't know, man.
Oh, well, it went back down apparently. Hey, it went back down apparently. I like my 291 target.
Huh?
I said I still like 291. Just gotta be careful.
815. Oh, man.
Alexa, 4,000 times 180. I think someone just went long. Like 500 grand in Twilio. Amazon's halfway to Target.
Alright. Okay. Very nice. Oh, Tesla.
Are they still up there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Still up there, dude. Holy moly.
Alexa. There you go. Hey, Amazon broke VWAP, dude. Good call. Yo, check NVIDIA out. It's about to drop to 3095. Was that Tesla?
Yeah.
Puts?
Yep.
Nice. I might roll into it. Like 500, 550, maybe 600 cost basis.
SPY just went down a bunch, dude, but they're just staying there. It's weird.
I'm telling you, 291.
God, I hope so.
I'm trying to figure out what Twilio would go to. Like, I don't know if they're going to go to VWAP or below VWAP. Because SPY's basically at Target. Like, they're 20 cents away. And Twilio's just sitting up there. I just don't know if they're going to bounce on VWAP because everybody else is crossing VWAP. And if they cross VWAP, they'll go to 175. Alexa, 116 over 114.
16 divided by 114 is 0.1404. By the way, you have one new notification. When you see the yellow light ring on your device, it means you have a notification or message. Just say, read my notifications.
Alexa, 116 divided by 114.
6 divided by 114 is 0.0526.
The VVIX is up like 2%. Alright, looks like SPY went to target. What's that?
Tesla?
Adding?
I'm about that. Yeah, I'm adding.
Okay. Cool. Nothing's at target yet. But it's getting close. You think exit if SPY crosses VWAP or just hold? Because you're buying puts.
I'm gonna wait and see. Yeah. I've got it in the channel though. Honestly, I have no idea, but I'm just going with my gut here. Hopefully it closes below it.
Dude, what if Twilio does head and shoulders?
Then we'll see it close below on that one. We'll see what it does here.
Okay.
Patience.
That's nice right there. The news is all the states that are reopening are not meeting health requirements. Spy hit target. How good is Tesla right now? Jake. Jake.
Yeah, man, this looks good.
This is really... How good's Tesla?
It's going down.
Okay. Apple hit...
Huh?
Apple hit target.
For who?
For 307.
Oh, you're still in Twilio.
Yeah, I'm still in Twilio.
Alright, good.
I think they're just gonna carry out second shoulder for the rest of the day. Because I think that was the bottom on SPY. And I don't want to be around to see Twilio break a good support. So I'm gonna probably sell here. Alright, I outed Twilio. What strike did you do?
8:15.
Okay.
I'm out.
Are you outed?
Yeah.
Okay, fuck, cool. Fair enough. Alright, I outed
About
Twilio.
50%, yeah.
Yeah, well, that's a hammer reversal on SPY. You want to do SPY calls?
Don't think so.
Alright, fair
Dude,
enough.
you had pretty good profits today.
Yeah, you know it.
Don't push it unless it's something you know that is going to work out.
Okay. Yeah, you're right.
Right?
Yeah, you're right, you're right. It's the right call on Twilio.
Don't force it. Yeah, you are good, God. You gotta. Oh my God. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah,
when,
it's all...
when it was like 178.6.
Yeah, I outed it 179.30.
The contracts just went down like a bunch, probably.
Yeah, it's like 40%.
Hey, don't worry about that one now. That's good.
Yeah, that is good. I'm happy. I'm really happy. That's about 80% on the best entry. I did think 60%. Yo, look at Zoom. These guys taked. Wow.
That's crazy.
You want to short PayPal?
Look. I don't see it, dude.
I don't see anything either. Okie dokie.
Let's look at Amazon. Dude, that's 2 trades that we both said were good, yet we didn't do it.
Well, we'll just do it next time. Alright, real talk. I have square puts expiring today for 72 strike. Do you think they're gonna print?
Square puts
Yeah, square puts.
for 72 strike. Well, like you're willing to lose it all?
I mean, it's one contract, and the contract costs $4.
How much is it now?
It's 4 cents.
Yeah, hold that, dude.
Okay.
What you to make? What you can get $4 right now?
Yeah, I give $4.
I think I thought they went in 5-cent increments, but I guess not.
Yeah, they trade by the penny.
Oh, they do. Okay. Wow. Hold it, man.
Alright. I'm holding that in oil calls. Dude, I got this shit position in SMG. I bought puts against... Like, tell me how this doesn't make sense. Scott's Miracle Growth Lawn Care. I buy puts against a fucking lawn care company during a coronavirus pandemic. And the company goes up. Like, what the hell? Nobody's mowing their lawn.
You bought puts in a lawn care company?
Yeah.
I think they're doing really good lawn care.
Well, apparently they are, because my puts are down 70%.
What lawn care? True Green?
Scott's Miracle.
Really? Everybody's at home working in their yards.
Apparently, dude. I'm trying to out these contracts because...
Look at Tesla.
I'm looking at Tesla. Why would I look at anything except Tesla? Holy crap, nice. Dude, I'm thinking second shoulder consolidation here is the play. 5 minutes. But yeah, dude, that's a really nice break. I don't know. What made you get out?
Spy.
Yeah, it was a pretty fat hammer. You're right. I don't know. I was so focused I couldn't really help you. I'm sorry. I gotta get more screens and I can look at more stocks. Dude, I'm telling you, like, there is
You ever
a...
seen those where the people put their screens on the wall?
Dude,
Like,
it's
you
the
got
best. That's the strat. But they do what?
You get screens on top of other screens.
Yeah, dude, it's so cool. It works like...
Instead of having to turn your neck like left and right, you can look up and down.
Oh my god, it's literally the best thing ever.
What do you do? Just mount it on the wall or something?
You can mount it on the wall, or you can get like super tall stands.
That's just that's dude. The monitors went up a lot in price. It looks like.
Yeah, because there's so much demand and no one can work at the factories apparently.
I remember I got this BenQ monitor for like $80, right? And
Yeah.
now they're like hundreds.
100? Wait, you mean more than 200?
This I don't know. It's a BenQ monitor. I think they're pretty expensive now. When I looked it up, I was trying to find a BenQ monitor.
I don't know. I see stuff on Amazon. It's up like probably 20%. But I don't know. A lot of the Chinese factories are open, but the supply chains are all crushed. So it's
What the
a...
heck is this? Here's one for $14,000.
Oh yeah, dude, they got some crazy monitors. It's like, what is it, 4K ultra wide?
EIZO Radiant Force RX 600.
Oh, that's a graphics card, bro.
It looks like a computer screen.
It does?
I just looked up BenQ monitor on Google and it was $14,000 for some weird monitor.
Yeah, that is interesting, man. That's
See it?
No, I don't see it. You gotta take a picture. Send it over.
EIZI Radiant Force. $13,900. Did you see that?
What?
The message I sent.
I'm looking. Oh, okay, it just came in. Whoa, what the heck? Wow.
It's crazy.
That is crazy, man. Wow. Oh, dude, it's a medical display. That thing's got a CAT scanner in it, dude. You know how much CAT scans are? I had to get a CAT scan like 8 months ago and I fell off my bike. The thing's like 10 grand a pop.
Really?
Yeah. Insurance only pays like 20% or like 40% or something.
It has a CAT scan. It comes with a CAT scan machine, or just no? It doesn't come with a CAT scan machine.
No, I think it's the monitor. Dude, the CAT scan machine's like $400,000.
That is crazy.
That is crazy. Dude, I'm telling you, like, people make a killing selling this healthcare stuff. That's why the hospitals are going bankrupt.
What's the difference between it and other ones? It just displays a picture.
I really have no clue, man. That is not my sector of expertise.
You're a computer engineer.
I know, but I couldn't give two shits about it. Like, I mean, I don't know, man.
This is what you do every day.
What are you talking about, man? I just trade stocks.
But I
think.
I bet. So they probably, the margins on this, they probably make that for like $100.
You think they make that for $100?
They probably made it. They probably spent less than $500.
Maybe. I think that I really don't know. I just don't know.
Perfume, the margins on perfume and stuff is ridiculous.
So you're saying perfume's the same as CAT scans?
Well, 14,000. That just seems ridiculous.
It is pretty crazy.
Is it worth?
Well, that's like 10% of the cost. Wait a minute. That's like, dude, that's like 3% of the cost of the machine. I mean, it's like nothing for a hospital.
Yeah, I guess.
Dude, VVix is about to break the 200 MA. And if that happens...
See, that's why I got out of Tesla. The contracts are back to what I got out from $3.
Okay, gotcha.
Even with that big move, that's ridiculous.
It is. I'm with you on that. It's because, dude, that was a huge move on you know, whatever, and I only made 100% or so. Twilia. Yeah, dude, I think somebody's buying up the VIX. Somebody did dark pool, 500,000 shares at 35.70 this afternoon. I think we're about to see a fat reversal in the market, dude. Because
I hope so.
Especially if today, I hope so too. We'll see what happens. I don't know.
Can't believe the VIX got back to 28.
Yeah, it's insane. The weird thing is, like, if you look at 2008, or if you look at 1999, like, there's only one VIX peak.
Yeah, so it'd be weird for it to do it back up, yeah. I don't even know if it's possible.
I don't know. I don't think so. I
In
don't.
08, yeah, it went up once.
Yeah, it goes up once.
And it had kind of a second peak, but it didn't go to 28. And then you said in 90.
Does the VIX ever have two peaks?
Look at well, this one's so high compared to those.
Well, yeah. I mean, this is the most volatile one yet.
97 and 98. Look at that.
Yo, dude, I'm talking about big crashes only, like 08.
So that okay. What about 80? What was it? 87?
Yeah, 87, and then 08 was 87.
Yeah, 87 was one, and it went to 170. That's crazy.
Wait, we hit 170?
On the VIX, yeah, in not 87.
What's the ticker? Oh, 87. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't know if you have two of those.
It's gonna be a first if it happens.
But in '08, the VIX spiked in like. I mean, it was like. I don't know how to do a comparison on Thinkorswim, but if you like look at the market, right, the VIX spiked at like the end of '08, and the market didn't bottom for like another 3 or 4 months, right?
So basically, the VIX will just stay low, but the market will still go down.
That's
Just
what I'm
slowly,
thinking.
guys. Slowly.
Well, dude, '08 was fast.
Not this fast. How it did the first time.
Dude, '08 was faster than what we've been doing so far. I mean, in terms of percentages. After the VIX spiked. So, like, the VIX spiked, and it was slow. But then the VIX came back down at the start of '08, and that was when the market really started tanking, dude. And obviously there was news, and there's regulations, and there was the whole, bank crisis thing. But I think the VIX might stay lower, and the market will just tank all by itself.
Let's see what happened with. Was the SPY around back then? Yeah.
Yeah. Because SPY will go to 200 MA on the monthly.
There was no retracement up like there has been this time,
Well, I mean, it's kind of a dead cat bounce. Because we dropped 40% in a month. So.
It's going to have to go down soon.
Yeah, it's a recession, so, chill out and wait for it.
But, yeah.
Dude. Okay, so, I'm looking at my trades, right? Let me pull up my thing from earlier. You know what's interesting is those Baba calls at 200 strike. Let me pull up the thing for it, because it's back now to what I bought it at. I mean, it's way back down because the day's gone down. But there was something interesting, because I closed out this position when they were at, like, I think $1 or something. I mean, that was a really stupid exit. When these guys, like, had their pullback early on, like, the contracts only went down, like, 10%. And then they basically doubled from that.
You're talking about on the pullback?
Yeah.
So the pullback didn't hurt.
Exactly. I mean, it was really, really not that bad. Because the contracts basically look like the stock. Like, I have the stock right next to the contract here, and they basically look exactly the same, except the stock moves like 0.5%, and the contract moves 112%.
Let me see. Let me see with Tesla if that's the case.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking you should do. Because the IV on this is really a tight. I mean, that's what makes it a tight trade. So it's important to know. Do you want to do puts?
Trend lines on the charts?
I didn't use
for
trend
options.
No, not usually. You can, but I usually just do the stock. You want to do the put side 810s?
For what?
To look at on Tesla.
I'm looking at the 815.
Okay.
I'm just gonna try to draw a trend line on there and see.
Okay.
It's got some weird lines on there with the options.
Yeah, I don't know what. I think that's the open interest. Or no, it's the theoretical option price. They have some weird way they calculate that. It's kind of messed up because it's not based on the market. I think it's based on the inherent value. They probably use block schmoles or whatever. Black.
Yeah, I don't see any trend.
Yeah, me neither. There's trends if you look at the calls.
So the put, yeah, I was looking at the puts. So the calls do. Yeah.
Yeah, the puts are harder because it's inversely correlated. But dude, there's some serious downward trends on the calls. Like after the time value starts to take a shit at like 12:30. Amazon hit target.
Unbelievable.
Dude, you know what's crazier is Twilio came back down.
TWLO. I think you're. Yeah, they did. There's no setups. You're just holding, I guess.
What's a downward channel?
But they went above it.
Yeah, they went above it, but then they came back in. So I don't know. I guess it's I don't know. I would have outed half if I had the trades for it. Excuse me.
I don't see anything, man. I think I'm about done.
What? You're gonna quit at 2? Dude, all the good stuff's at 3 o'clock. You're right, man.
Man, dude, this. I don't want to blow any money.
Alright, look, just take your normal position size and divide it by 10, okay?
Yeah.
That's all you gotta do. I mean, you don't have to do it, but I love it. It's my favorite part. But you do you, man. A day like this is a solid day for it. And we've got that setup on Tesla that we've been waiting all day for. I'm not about to, like, get rid of that. You want to do long-term Amazon puts?
For what?
October?
No, man, I don't want to do that.
Why not?
They're so expensive, dude.
You get FAR OTM, they're like $4.
$4 for what, like the
1,000?
the $100 ones?
No, 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
They're $1.
They're $1?
Yeah.
No shit, dude. That's pretty.
Dude, that's like 50% from where they're at.
All right. Look back when they broke 1,000 and went to $2,000. How long did that take?
Let me check. That was from October of last year, or maybe that October of 2017 to September of 2018. 1 year.
Sounds like a year, yeah. And what do we know about stocks?
They go down faster.
Exactly.
But it's at 23.71, not 20.
I mean, they're pretty close.
Can you imagine though if it went like $100 below? If it went to like 900.
Yeah, that's what I'm fucking saying. Okay, so here's the cool part. Okay, you looking it on Yahoo Finance?
I was looking on TD.
I mean, I don't think it'll work on TD. Look at the 200
Alright, I'm
monthly.
pulling it up. Yeah, I'm up.
Look at the 200 monthly. You know where the 200 monthly is?
It's at, let me make sure that's the 200. What, 500?
Right. Now, I'm not gonna lie. It's not gonna go there. But you know where it went in 2008?
In 2008, let me go to the 50?
To the 100.
Oh, is that the 100? Okay. They went a little bit below the 50, yeah.
Well, it hit the 100, right?
Yeah, well, I don't have the 100 up, yeah.
Yeah, if you add the 100, that was where it bottomed.
Where's the 100 at now?
884.
Are you serious?
That's what I'm saying, dude. It's 150 upside.
I can't believe their chart. That's crazy. How much did they used to be a $10 stock?
Dude, I paid. Oh, yeah, dude. They were a $10 stock for a long time.
Unbelievable.
Well, you know
And it
the.
wasn't that long ago, 2001.
Yeah, man. You can buy and hold the stock for 10 years or buy puts for 3 months. Or 20 years, I guess.
That's pretty, I don't know if I want to do that. Yeah, Tesla, I don't see them going down, man. It's a W.
You think a short-term W? What do you mean on the 1 minute?
Yeah.
I would really be looking at the 5 minute. But I do see what you're saying. Later in the day, the 1 minute sometimes is harder.
Yeah, I'm going to call it quits.
Alright, dude, have fun. Congrats.
But, hey, let me know how you do with these later today.
You bet, I'll let you know.
Because, yeah, you can, yeah, you can make good on, I would do Tesla, like you said, but divide your position size. I think that's smart. You don't want to be doing thousands of dollars. So, all right, let me know.
Alright, have fun, dude.
See you.
Good calls. Sweet. Alright. God, I want to short Amazon. I just like really like this, like a lot. It's just like such a good upward wedge. It's like, I mean, look at that. It's so good. And it did exactly what you would expect it to do, which is you want it to break out of the wedge, and then it breaks out of the wedge, and then it goes up a little tiny bit, and then it reverses, and then it just goes down forever. I mean, it's like, God, it's just so good. I don't know. It's really cool. Yeah, I probably should help Twilio. I wanted to get a Twilio because there was a play in Tesla, and so I kind of had like FOMO of all the other stocks. Because I had the balls to hold through that, but I didn't do it because I thought there were better plays in other stocks. So that was kind of my fault. That was a mentality problem. That wasn't a trade problem or a technical problem. In terms of the 1 minute on these guys, you can pretty easily, like, I mean, you can hold through that. It's tough, but if you have market trend on your side, you should be good, because that was at 1354. And what I've seen all day is that Twilio has been following the market, but it's been on like a 5 to 15 minute delayed basis. And so the market kind of bottomed at 1354. But apparently, like what I've seen over and over on this stock today is it just takes a little bit more time for it to actually rebound. And so I should have known that. It's temporarily short-term inversely correlated, at least in this trading range. But it'll follow the market if you give it time. So I should have known that. Could have made 100% on that instead of 50 or so. But hey, pretty solid, pretty cool. And I'm gonna wait about an hour for these premiums to kind of dry up, and then I think it's gonna be pretty cool to trade these Friday expirations. So I'm gonna go get some food because you need solid energy to trade these really well. And then I'll come back. We'll start it up maybe whenever seems right. So I guess this is much, and I will either see at the end of the day today or not. So that'd be cool stuff, and